So the first thing I'm going to do is show you my carpet here, my carpet sample. This has been, poor thing, has been dumped juice and wine and everything all over it. So I'm going to take this carpet sample here and I'm going to put some juice on this, and we're going to set it aside so that I can show you the power of our carpet stain buster here in just a little bit. So you can see I've got some nice juice on there. Rub it in real good. Okay, so we'll let that set for a minute while I talk to you about this other stuff. Okay, so our next amazing thing is I just have this ceramic tile here. Okay, and I have a Sharpie. Okay, so this is permanent marker. I don't know if you've ever tried to get permanent marker off, it is not easy. Okay, so I'm going to draw right on here. You can see there. Let that dry for a second. And I'm going to show you how you can use this and some cleaning paste to get this off. Now, cleaning paste, we call this our elbow grease in a jar. It's anything you need a little extra oomph to get off. So this, the active ingredients are marble flour, natural soaps, and coconut oil. And so it just really provides a great, awesome help. Okay, so you can see that's dried on really well. This comes hard, and this jar is about half gone, but this stuff, a little goes a long way, so I don't know if anyone could ever actually use this up. I've only used this much because I made samples from it. So you rub your wet Enviro cloth in here and it creates a paste, okay? And you want to use circular motions because it really helps get the stuff off better, I've found. Okay, and you don't even have to press hard, like I'm barely touching it. I found actually that if you press harder, it doesn't even work as well. So you just want to go lightly, but with your circular motions, and it comes right off. And you know, if you've ever gotten Sharpie off of anything, you know that even if you get most of it off, it still leaves like a shadow. Nothing. Look at that. You can even see the reflection. So nothing there. It's completely gone and amazing. Okay, now for the last and final demo, I've got my carpet that's all nice and stained now. If your kids have ever spilled juice, you know. Okay, so I'm going to use this Enviro cloth again, okay? Now, this is our carpet stain buster. It is plant enzymes that are formulated to actually break down proteins, which are most stains, right? Protein-based, okay? So normal wear and tear traffic, human skin cells, kind of gross, pet stains, food, drink, that kind of thing, okay? So here we have some juice. So this will actually break down the proteins of the juice, which is kind of cool. My lighting is bad here, so I'm not sure if I spilled. Okay, and this bottle is pretty heftily priced, but what I found is that you can dilute it. This is diluted about 1 to 6 or 7, 1 part of this and about 6 or 7 parts water. So that makes it extremely well priced, cheaper than most carpet cleaners that I've ever purchased, and it's especially cheaper considering most of the time you only have to use one application, you dab it up, and then that's it. Other cleaners I've had to spray and scrub and spray and scrub and spray and scrub. So this is extremely affordably priced when you look at it that way. So I recommend either getting another spray bottle and diluting in that, depending on what stain you're using. If you have a really, really bad, old, years-long set-in stain, you might want to use it full strength and just spray once and let it set for a while. Or you can buy a jar or something and put this in there, the concentrate, and then add as you want to dilute to this, since it comes with a little spray nozzle as well as a cap. Okay, so now you can see that this has broken down those stains. All you do is use your wet Enviro to dab up whatever might be left. And then here you have nice, clean, beautiful carpet. Look at that, and this is light colored carpet.